Nick is only days away from opening his new Nick's Coffee Room location. With everything Nick has to do to prepare for the grand opening, it's up to Kim and Professor Silver to make sure Terry, the newest barista, is trained to use the POS app.
Hi, Professor Silver. You did such a great job showing me around the POS app. I was hoping you could help Terry get started as well. He's a new barista at Nick's Coffee Room's newest location.
I'm glad to meet you, Terry. I'd be happy to help. Do you know how to log into the POS app?
I sure do. I just type in my PIN and select Login.
Great! We'll start by ringing up transactions. On the Categories and Items side of the screen, select the Teas category. Notice how all of the items in the Teas category appear above the category button. Now, select Herbal Tea. This is a basic item, so there are no modifiers or variations available. After you select the item, it will appear on the other side of the screen in the ticket window.
That's easy, but I know not all the items are that simple.
You're right about that. Some items have variations and modifiers assigned to them. We'll take a look at that next. Now select the Coffee category, then the Latte item. There are 2 variations that must be selected before the item will be added to the ticket. For this item, you must select the size and the milk type. This item also has modifiers for you to add. To select modifiers, select the item from the ticket window and tap the Modifiers tab. The modifiers will be listed by group. Select the plus sign next to the modifier to add it to the item, or select the minus sign to remove it from the item.
Why would I want to remove a modifier?
I know the answer to that. We have iced coffee on our menu that comes with milk and sweetener already added. If a customer doesn't want the iced coffee sweetened, you will use the minus sign to remove that modifier from the item.
That's a great example. Next, you should assign a customer to the ticket. You can add a customer to the ticket at any point during the transaction by selecting the Customer button. Then, search for the customer by name, phone number, or email address. Or, if the customer is not in the system yet, select the New Customer button to create a customer record.
What if I forget to add a customer to the ticket?
Because the Customer Prompt option is turned on, you'll be prompted to assign a customer to a ticket when you select the Checkout button if you haven't already assigned a customer. Now you're ready to check out. Select the Pay button, then select the payment method the customer is using. Or select the Cash or Credit Card button next to the Pay button. Enter the amount paid in the Amount field. If the customer is paying with cash, you can use the Exact Change, Next Dollar, or Other Bill Denomination button. Another checkout option is splitting the check. Select the Split Payment button and enter the number of people to split the check by. The amount will be divided equally among the customers. Or you can enter the split amount manually. The Split Payment button can also be used if the customer wants to pay with multiple payment methods. Completing transactions on the NCR Silver POS app is easy and intuitive. And remember, you can assign a customer to the ticket at any point during the transaction.
Now Terry can complete basic transactions in the POS app. In the next course, Terry will learn about discounts and promotions in the POS.